Good morning, children. I am your English teacher. How are you? I hope you also fine there. Due to COVID-19 situation, we can't attend physical classes. So we are going to conduct online classes. My dear students, welcome to our class. Today we are going to discuss about the basics of English grammar. That is the parts of speech. What is the parts of speech? Let us see the definition. Group of words divided into different kinds or clauses according to their use, that is, the work they do in a sentence, is called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Let us discuss each of them. First one, noun. A noun is a naming word. It refers name of person, place, thing, animal. Look at the examples. Name of persons: mother, doctor, friend, nurse, teacher. Name of things: book, apple, cup, car, hat, grass, house, pet. Name of places: yard, city, home, park, school, zoo. This is about noun. Next, look into pronoun. A pronoun is a word is used instead of noun. Pronoun refers a noun to avoid repetition of noun. Examples: I, you, we, they, he, she, it, me, us, them, him, her, this, those. Look at the examples. Even is angry. He wants to eat dinner soon. In this sentence, in first sentence, even is noun. In second sentence, he is pronoun. He is used instead of the noun even. Second examples, Kale and Emma are bored today. They can't wait to go to the circus tomorrow. Here, they is pronoun. They is used instead of the nouns Kale and Emma. Next, look into adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun that shows the quality of noun. Look at the examples. Pink dress. In this sentence, dress is noun. Pink is an adjective. Pink is the color of dress. Next one. Use elephant. Elephant is noun. Huge is an adjective. Huge is the size of elephant. Cute baby. Baby is noun. Cute an adjective. Cute is the quality of baby. Juicy orange. Orange is noun. Juicy is an adjective. Here, juicy is the quality of orange. Spooky house. House is noun. Spooky is an adjective because spooky is the quality of house. Spooky means danger. Next, look into verb. A verb is a word used to express an action or state. Look at the examples. Is blowing. In this sentence, blowing shows the action. So blowing is verb. She is sleeping. In this sentence, sleeping refers action. So sleeping is the verb. The girl is skating. In this sentence, skating refers action. So skating is the verb. Next, look into an adverb. An adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of verb. An adverb tells how often, how, when, where. It can describe a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. An adverb tells us how something is done. Examples: loudly, always, never, late, soon, etc. Examples sentences: my cat eats quickly. Eats is verb. How eats quickly? Quickly means adverb. Quickly refers adverb. She spoke softly. Spoke is verb. How she spoke? Softly. Here, softly is an adverb. Next, look into preposition. A preposition is a word that placed before noun or pronoun and shows the relation between noun or pronoun and some other words in the sentence. Look at the examples. The dog is under the bed. Here, under shows the relation between the dog and bed. Where is the dog? Under the bed. What is there under the bed? The dog. So here, under is the preposition. Next one. The boy ran behind the building. In this sentence, behind is preposition. It refers the boy and the building. It shows the relation between the boy and the building. The girl took the cat to the vet. Here in this sentence, to is preposition. It shows the relation between the girl and the vet. Next, look into conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins together words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Look at the examples. Ram and Sham. In this sentence, and is the conjunction. And joins the nouns Ram and Sham. Next examples. He is poor yet is honest. So in this sentence, yet is the conjunction. Yet joins two sentences. Third example. Pay the fine or go back home. In this sentence, or is the conjunction. It joins two sentences. Next, last one. Interjection. An interjection is a word that expresses sudden feelings of joy, pleasure, sadness. Look at the examples. Hooray! We won the match. Wow! Whoa! Awesome! Alas! The fish is dead. Okay, dear students, this is about the parts of speech. Thank you. See you in next class.